Dear students, today we are going to solve the exercise of chapter number 8, that is here graphics in QBasic for grade 7th. So we will start this exercise with fill in the blanks, that is at page number 91. So open page number 91 where first we will do the fill in the blanks. I am writing here fill in the blanks. So first question I am reading from the book, that is basic means basic language. This language designed by whom? In 1964. So first we have to fill here Thomas E. Kurtz. So right here in first, that is Thomas E. Kurtz, and second name will be here John G. Kameny. So we have to write second John G. Kameny. Now next is which command allows us to enter information when the program is being executed. So here in second, input command is used for that. Input, right here input. Now third, which is a meaningful name of data storage location in computer memory, that is known as a variable. So we have to write in third, that is variable. Now fourth is what statement is used to make decisions based on comparisons. So here we have to fill if then. Right here if dash then. Now fifth one, what variable contains values, symbols or text within double quotes and is represented by an alphabetical followed by what sign? So first we have to write string. String variable holds characters, number and different types of things. And at last we have to write here dollar, that will be dollar sign. Now sixth fill in the blank is here, that is what statement is used to draw a straight line. So to draw a straight line we have to use here line statement. So right here line statements. Now in this block we will solve the true false of this chapter, that is next exercise. Now first one, I am reading that one. So the circle statement is used to draw a circle. Yes, correct. Circle used for that to create a circle. Second, play feature in QBasic is used to generate movie. No. False. Third is in high resolution mode the computer screen is divided into 320 into 200 pixels. No, it is false. Fourth one, BASIC stands for Beginners All Purpose Symbolic Instructions Code. Yes, it is true that it is a full form. Now fifth, here integer constants are only positive numbers. No, they also could be negative. So here fifth is false. Now I am writing here sixth number. Draw a statement works similar to the line statement. No, it is false. Now seventh one, to draw vertical lines, y-axis coordinates will remain the same for both starting and ending points of the line. No, it is false. Seventh is also false. Now eighth, that is last. The background color code for gray color is 7. Yes, it is true. Now come to the next exercise, that is application based questions. So where first is Karina wants to draw lines in 8 different directions but she is unable to do so. Suggest to her the command to perform this task. So she has to write here line command she will use here, then brackets, here will be x coordinates and here will be y coordinates, then dash, then again small bracket, here we can write x coordinates and again here y coordinates. So such type of statement she has to write. Now next, second application based question. Kabir wants to draw a box filled with color using the line statement but he is unable to recollect keyword for making a filled box. Help him to finish this task. So here he has to write same thing like line command, then x1 first coordinate, then y1 second coordinate, dash, then again x2, here y2. Values could be written in place of x1, y1, x2, y2, then comma, and here he has to write pf. Now third episode question. The computer teacher has asked Swati to draw vertical lines in QBasic. Which coordinates will you suggest to her to send the same for both starting and ending points of the line? So same thing that we have written here, line, then x1, y1, comma, send in between both of them, minus dash x2, comma, y2. Which type of command she has to write? Now come to the next page of this chapter where MCQ means multiple choice questions are here. So first question is, which statement displays message or output of a program? So the answer is print statements. First we have to write in this MCQ print, and that is of B option. Now second MCQ is here, which statement to draw lines, figures and patterns of different shapes are used? That is line statement. So we have to write here line, that is C option. Now third, to draw a fill box, which letter is used with line coordinates? So that is B letter, capital B. This is B option. Now fourth is here, that is which statement is used to set the screen resolution? So screen statement, right here screen, that is C option. And now fifth MCQ is here, that is no graphics can be created in which mode? That is screen 0 mode, and it's again C option. So now let's come to the question and answers of this chapter. So the first question of this chapter is, what is the use of input statement? So the answer is here, input statement is used to enter the values while the program is being executed. Example we can take here, like when we are writing print what is your name inside the double quotes, then you have to write input name $. So this will be the statement that will be asked in your screen from the computer, what is your name, and when the user will enter their name, then that name will be stored inside this name $variable. Now next question is here, what is the difference between if then and if then else statements? So if then statement is used for making decisions based on the result of comparisons, while if then else is a conditional decision making statement where if the condition given after if is true, then the statement executed, and if the condition is false, then else statement will be executed. Now the third question is here, what do you understand by the term screen modes? So here screen modes are used to set the screen resolutions where every mode has a different resolution and supports different number of colors. Now the fourth question is here, what is the difference between capital B and capital BF options used with line statement? So the answer is here, the capital B option in line statement is used to create a box according to given screen resolution, while capital BF option is used to fill the desired color shade in the box. Now the fifth question is here, how can we draw a rectangle? Explain with an example. So the answer is, rectangle can be drawn by the help of a line statement, and example we can write in QBasic language, that will be screen 7, color 5,15, then CLS for clear the screen. Now line 60, 60 dash 130 and 100, comma 6, comma B for creating a box. And now the fifth question is here, that is, what is the use of pset statement? So answer is here, pset statement is used to set a point from where a particular drawing should start on the screen. If we take some example like pset x, y, c, where x is here number of column, comma y is here number of rows, and comma c is here the color that we want to use. Now the exercise and question answers of this chapter is over. Next we will do in our next class.